How to use YouTube short hooks that go viral. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your shorts aren't getting views, your hook is the problem, and here is how you can fix it. Let's go step by step to create viral hooks. So the first thing you need to do is hook in first 1 to 2 seconds. You don't need any intros, start instantly, and first frame must grab attention. For example, it can be any kind of pattern breaks. So if there's anything conventional, you can just tell them like stop posting shorts like this or something similar. Then the next step is to start with movements, hand movements or motions, zoom, walk-ins or screen chains. You have to make sure that you never start your shorts static. If you start your shorts static, it could get a little bit boring. You can also try to say something unexpected. Use the pattern breaks like ones I've mentioned before. Then you can show the results first because showing views growth or something before and after, and then you can start explaining. For example, you could say this short got this many views in this time frame. Why it works is because you show the proof before explanation. Once you've done all of this, you should find your shorts performing better instantly. You can also make sure that you don't give any clickbaits. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.